In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set global form colors and fonts in Hubspot. Setting these options at a global level means that all of your Hubspot forms will automatically follow the same look and feel without you having to style each form individually. This is a huge time saver, and it also helps you keep your brand consistent across your website and landing pages. Let's start from inside your Hubspot account. First, go to your main navigation and look for the settings area, which is represented by a small gear icon, usually in the top right corner. Click that gear icon to open your settings. This is where Hubspot keeps all of your account-wide configuration options, including form styles. Once your settings page loads, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see different categories. Find the section labeled Marketing, then click it to expand the options underneath. Within Marketing, you should see Forms. Go ahead and click Forms to open up the form-related settings. Inside the Forms settings, you'll notice a few different tabs along the top. Click on the tab labeled Styles. This is the area where you control the global appearance of your forms, such as fonts and colors, rather than editing each form one by one. Now let's customize the typography. You'll see options for label font and input font. The label font controls the text that appears above or beside each field, like first name or email. The input font controls the text that visitors type into those fields. Click on the font selector for label font and choose a typeface that matches your brand, then do the same for input font. Try to keep these fonts simple and readable. That will make your forms easier to use on both desktop and mobile devices. Next, adjust your colors. Look for field color and button color. Field color affects the background or border of your input fields, while button color controls the main color of your submission button. Click on each color picker and either choose from the palette or enter your brand's hex codes if you have them. Make sure your button color stands out clearly against the background so visitors can easily see where to click. When you're happy with your fonts and colors, don't forget the final and most important step. Click Save at the bottom left of the screen. This applies your changes globally, so all forms using these default styles will instantly update to match your new design.